Hello friends, currently I have purchased this Samsung 396 liters fridge and I am going to give you an honest review. This is the first apartment in which you can find the slides. You can find the freezer box inside there. The fridges and cubes can be put inside and you can take it, can be useful. There is a twin cooling capacity in the freezer, and this is a convertible fridge actually. The second part I am going to show you is the lower part. It contains the area of putting eggs and your dairy products also. And what about the racks? This is the vegetables rack, and there is the option of automatic, in which you can convert your fridge into freezer within 3 seconds. Let me show you how it could be. I am just converting the fridge into freezer. Now it is become freezer, and now again putting on 3 seconds it will become freeze. So it is a great advantage of this fridge. This freezer can be used in multiple ways, and it can be great for 3 to 4 member family. Thank you for watching my video.